I think the academic skills that students most struggle with are referencing, academic writing, and I guess time management, which is a life skill but is an academic skill as well. Early low stakes assessment can flag students who are struggling with skills such as referencing or academic writing or even time management. I encourage students to come to me if they are struggling with getting an assignment in or struggling finishing their work, and I can talk through some strategies, how to deal with those sorts of anxieties around not being able to get things done, which can stem from people's perfectionism, which sometimes is quite difficult for students to overcome. But I think with supportive teaching practices, students can become comfortable in putting something or submitting something that may be less than perfect. In those early low stakes assessments, refer students to our academic learning support if I feel like they may benefit from that support from the experts in academic literacies and academic writing. And sometimes that outside voice or hearing explanations from another person can be really helpful for students. An intervention that I always like to employ early on in my teaching is a referencing exercise. So I believe that people have to get referencing wrong before they get referencing right. And in my classes, most often students have no idea about referencing. So that simple task and using selected texts, which I know are difficult to reference with multiple authors and such, just going through that exercise and an in-class exercise so I can check and correct in a timely manner, usually means that every single student in my class learns to reference within the semester. Academic literacies obviously is applicable to all areas in university. I think that although they are subject specific in terms of referencing, referencing styles which are preferred in, say, history as opposed to sociology, but the basic skills of academic writing are pretty much generic across all subjects. But I think it's important to show those basic skills and then within the context of, say, a report or a essay or a blog piece or whatever the assessment may be. And I think in that way, students understand the benefits of the academic writing skills and academic literacies, not just for the subject, but more generally for all academic work and life beyond university.